Hi everybody, welcome to my art channel. My name is Soraya. So I have been loving color, and I kind of go back and forth between loving color and then going back to a neutral palette. And this time I'm on to colors, and I've got an idea for a beautiful color combination, and I think it's going to work beautifully, I hope. So let's see what happens. So I decided to use a 30-inch by 40-inch gallery wrapped canvas, and I'll show you the colors once I'm done. I'm always a little bit excited and nervous when I first start blowing it out. You never know what the color combinations, how they work, how they're going to go together. But as I started, I knew this was going to be pretty good. So this was not set on slow motion. This is me actually blowing it out. You could see how slow I am working with the paint. It is on a low setting and cool setting because there was a lot of paint on the canvas. And if you go too quickly, it just blends too much, and sometimes you'll get mud, and you don't want that. I sing next. You're my world, you are my night and day. You're my world, you're every prayer I pray. If our love ceases to be, that is the end of my world for me. Sometimes it happens that because of the amount of paint that is on the canvas in a certain section of it, I have to blow out an area that I find very beautiful. But a lot of times, more detail comes up as the paint dries. So, you know, I love the lacing and some cells, and they'll pop back up because I put water in the paint mixture with the Floetrol. Sometimes there is that bit of uncertainty when you're using so many colors. Are they going to work together? Because colors will blend into each other. So the blue and the red contrast off each other really well. But what about the light green? Will that work? And so the white really helps to kind of help bring it together. The white also softens the colors up. So if you're finding that it's a bit too bold, the color, the white color, which is not a color at all, will help to blend the colors together and soften them up. Now, I wasn't too sure about this area here, not too crazy of how that blue was coming through, but you'll see what I do with it, so just keep watching. Now, you have lots of options when you have paint on the canvas. You can keep blowing it out as I have been doing here. You could also pick up the canvas and tilt it around. You can put some on a palette knife and spread it out that way. So there's a lot of options for you if you think that it's not working the way you want it to. I have found that it's best to take a step back and take a look at the overall painting before you decide that you don't like it, because there's always something you can do to improve that area. You kind of have to decide, what is it about this painting that bothers me, that I don't like? And then you can take different steps to change it up. I decided to add more white to a couple different areas on the canvas to have that bit of negative space. And so you can see here that I definitely didn't like this area. Easy enough to scrape it off. Also scraped this area and decided to have that green and white flow through from the one side over to the other side. Created more balance that way. Okay, here it is from my side. Just finished doing it. It's still very wet, as you can see by the reflection. And I love that there's this negative space here, and I decided to do the same thing here. That's why I kind of swipe that off and put some more green and white up there to have a nice balance between that side and this side. You can see that works well with the purple and blue, and red and the blue going through the middle here. Look at how it's breaking up. Those beautiful cells, look at that. I love this part. Against the purple and on one side and blue on the other side. It looks wonderful. I love this little patch here. There's lots of interest here. Look at that. It is beautiful. There's a lot of gorgeous areas. So look at those little dots in there. It's beautiful. I'm going to let this dry. I'll be back here in just 1 second and show you that. So I quickly wanted to show you the colors that I use. This is Artist Loft Soft Body White, Liquitex Basics Prism Violet, Amsterdam Grayish Blue, Liquitex Basics Light Olive Green, and a no name that I paid $2, just a red. It's nothing special, but it worked in this painting. And I mixed all of those with Floetrol. So check this out, it's all dried up and I don't think I'm gonna do a thing to it. I think it's gorgeous. And what I love about it is that you can turn it around and it'll look really good various ways. And I'll show you just 1 second. And you see what I mean when I turned it this way? Look how gorgeous it looks this way. I'm not sure which way I like it more. This is just stunning, so powerful. Those contrasting colors, those beautiful, beautiful details. Look, I just love that. It is stunning. Let me know which way you like it the best. Leave me a comment. And click on the link you see now to see more of my artwork.